What's up? So I got the YEEZY Gap cargo pant. I got it in a size small. Bought it from LAArchive, that news site that sells unreleased YEEZY Gap stuff. And this is part of their main line, so it's not the drop stuff that they do every week, where you gotta, like be ready for it. You gotta purchase 2 or more things to get a link or something like that. This is something that they have a lot of, not really hard to get. Some colors could be hard to get, but you never know. So you get the thing, comes in the same white packaging as all the mainline Yeezy.com stuff. And this one even came in the original plastic packaging that the Yeezy Gap stuff, came in. Like all this stuff came in these plastic bags with the warning label on the outside and the QR code, and not QR code, but the barcode and stuff, right? And you also get your packing slip. Nothing really to note there. I will say 2 days to get processed, 2 days to get delivered from USPS. You get a FedEx link, and the FedEx link never works. I don't know if it's just something in my area why I'm getting an error like that, but the FedEx link never works. The USPS link always works. I don't know why they keep sending it with FedEx. You unpack the thing, and yeah, here you are. Pants. Couple things to note: YEEZY logo, front and center, made in Indonesia. Drawstring, separated, not combined like the Yeezy.com stuff. Compression, no compression at the bottom. Stitching is overall pretty nice too. 3 pockets, so you got 2 of your normal pockets right here, right? I'll talk a little bit more about those in a second. Boom. Cargo pocket right out the side. Everything a nice size, everything good quality. They say that their stuff may be imperfect. I've never really had any issues with quality when it comes to these. So I'm going to throw these on real quick with a pair of shoes I think will go perfect with them. Give me a second, please. All right. So yeah, I think these go perfect with these Vans. If you got like big chunky shoes, this will work out pretty good for you. Like I said, size small. I honestly think that I could go extra small maybe, but the only thing is that waist area, right? So first of all, fitment wise, the waist. I'm a 34 waist, okay? 34 waist. And I know I got it sagging a little bit. It's more towards my hip. My hip is about 36 through 38, about that range, right? So if I pull this, I got about 5 inches of additional room I could use, or the pants could handle, like another 5 inches of width as a small. So I'm thinking maybe extra small could be an idea, especially knowing that I've already put these through the washer, just like normal medium settings, but high heat drying, and they have not really shrunk that much at all. So again, I think the length is perfectly fine. A little bit baggy, but I think this is an appropriate amount of bagginess. I want to say this is obsessive, like some of the Yeezy.com stuff, even in the smaller sizes, right? But, and then, yeah, that's really all to say about the sizing. I mean, I think it fits pretty damn well as far as the waist goes, lengthwise. A little bit baggy, but it's tasteful. It's not crazy. Pockets, so about these pockets, right? So the side pockets, when you put them in, they are very in front of you. And I thought about it when I was wearing these a bit. I was like, well, yeah, they're very in front of you, but that's kind of good. If you're sitting down or whatever, you're on the computer over here and you're sitting down, well, that means that, you won't be sitting on your phone accidentally or whatnot because it's in front of you. Or you're in a car, in a sports car like I got, and it could be especially uncomfortable if you're sitting on anything, keys, wallet, if whatever's in your pocket's like falling behind you like that. So pretty neat that they are in front. It's a little bit weird to just like walk around in, but I kind of like that they're in the front, sort of. And cargo pocket, large enough to put my hand in. Really nothing too special about it. If you look up Yeezy Gap cargo pant, you might see the cargo pant where they have like 3 of these and it's padded. This is a different model. It's not the same model. I gotta look up the exact names and whatnot, but not the same model. Other than that, not the stretchiest, but the bagginess kind of gives you that freedom of movement. But yeah, to a point, you'll lock up. And I know a lot of people are going to go oversized on this, so you may not have to worry about that at all. But if I get an extra small on this, it may be something to consider. So maybe I wouldn't skateboard in these in my case. But yeah, I like these. And after putting them through the washer, they don't look like they've faded that much at all. If anything, I think they got more uniform as far as color goes. The video I'm about to post up could probably disprove that, comparing them pre-wash and then after wash on the outside. So yeah, we'll see what that shows. But overall, I like these. I think I can actually wear these, unlike the extra large long sleeve I got here. And you know what I did? I made a whole chart of all my measurements. That was that notebook I was holding up. And I compared them to the measurements of all the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga clothing because of a guy's sheet that he put up online. And they don't have the measurements for these pants. So unfortunately, I couldn't really compare the extra small. So extra small is going to be I'm going to be in the dark completely. I'm not going to know really how that's going to fit. But judging from these, I think they'll measure perfectly. But yeah, anyway, the shirt, I would need a small. I would need a small. Yeah, I couldn't go over a small if I wanted to be wearable. But yeah, as far as the pants go, perfectly fine. Can't wait for the fall. I'm going to have a lot of stuff to wear during the fall. Yeah, these are really nice. I love it with these Vans. But really, any chunky shoe, they should look great in. So anyway, that's about all I got to say. Thanks for watching as always. And yeah, more soon.